Okay, so I'm going to operate the garage door opener. Here's the button right here. There's the opener right there. And it does have the reverse sensors there. So I'm going to see if it's working. As you can see, the door's not closing all the way by itself, so it's going to need, probably going to have to hold the button down right here in order for it to close all the way. Okay, so what's going to happen is they're going to need to make an adjustment. Those two little knobs right there, that's where you adjust the tension, and also maybe clean the reverse sensors so that the door closes smoothly on its own. I'm going to do it one more time just so you can see the operation of it. And now I'm going to close it again. It's right here. Just push it one time. See, the lights are flashing, it's not closing. But if I hold it down, then it will close. So it needs an adjustment right there, like I mentioned to you, on the tension.